Good evening, students. Today, one more video on IC analysis. You know that IC analysis is immediate constituents analysis of a sentence, right? And we find the words at last. So, here I'm telling you that what is the example. I have already discussed a lot about it, but today I'm just giving two examples, and I this video will be a very small video, and I would try to explain you how to analyze the word through tree diagram. And these through two examples I have taken, and I would try to understand. I will not speak much because here two diagrams are enough to understand how to do analysis, IC analysis, and how what are the phrases. So that's a phrase, because IC in sorry, tree diagram is based on phrases, and there are some contradiction because phrase means two words or group, more than two words, group of words. And then there are here I have already in previous slide I have discussed the same. I am repeating. That's parts of speech are eight parts of speech. Parts of speech means words category. Whole words in English are categorized into uh, eight, right? These are the eight. There are eight classes of words. So any word can be either noun, pronoun, or verb, or adverb, right? Or adjective, right? Or conjunction, or preposition, right? Or interjection, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So any word definitely would be either noun, means naming word, right? It may be noun, naming word. It may be pronoun, right? If there is no name, so there will be pronoun. Or there are action word or helping verb. These are the words which show the action or which are used for helping, for time or number or status. Then the word which is used for verb is called adverb, and the word which is used for noun or pronoun is called adjective, right? This is adjective, and this is the word which is used for verb is called adverb. Then conjunction, that is joining words. Then preposition, which shows the position. And then interjection, with the word which shows the surprise feeling, are called interjection, right? Now I was talking about phrase. So just now I have repeated actually. These are the parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. So please take care that phrases, if I talk about, so phrases: noun phrase, right? Then verb phrase, then adverb phrase, then adjective phrase, right? Then conjunction phrase, no conjunction phrase, right? Then preposition phrase, right? So noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. So there are phrases. These types of phrases are there: noun phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, and preposition phrase, right? Then what is remaining? Pronoun, conjunction, or interjection, right? So phrases, what phrases are there? These are the phrases. Phrases mean two words or more than two words, right? Which acts like noun, two words or more than two words acts like a verb, two words more than two words acts like adjective, adjective, adverb, preposition, right? So two words, what one word is, definitely in all phrases one word is or head word is, that is in noun phrase noun verb, noun is a head word, and before noun, after noun, some words or modifiers are there which are known as a whole, which are known as number of words are known as noun phrase. Similarly, verb, in verb, helping verb, modal verb, before or after, along with head word, that is main verb, which is called verbal phrase, then adjective phrase, then adverb phrase, then prepositional phrase, right? So these are the phrases first you have to understand, then only you will be able to understand, able to do IC analysis. So IC analysis is based on, first of all, subject, then noun pronoun, right? Sorry, noun, uh, noun phrase, or then verb phrase. This is basic, right? And then how noun phrase is divided. So this divided in verb phrase is divided. So let us see. This is the sentence that said the tree illustrates IC analysis according to the constituency relation. So here when you read, so that whenever you do IC analysis, take pause and then read that how words can be read in one breath. For example, this tree, then little pause, illustrate, pause, IC analysis, right, pause, according to, pause, the constituency relations. So that's a these sorry, this tree, of course this is subject, and rest of the part is called predicate, right? So subject you can do this way. Now predicate, what is predicate? Predicate is whole, sorry, this part is called predicate whole, right? Now predicate, read predicate, illustrates, what illustrates? So then pause, so that is illustrates IC analysis, illustrates, this is illustrates IC analysis. Imagine, that's a verbal phrase. In verbal phrase, this is the verbal, this is the tree, this is the verbal phrase, right? So that verbal phrase again divided, this is verbal phrase, this is verbal phrase, one branch of verbal phrase, this is this one I'm talking about, right? And then verbal phrase, this start from verbal phrase, but then is divided into according to. So that's a, there are two prepositions, according and to. So here you can see according and to. So then according, drop, then next preposition phrase is to the constituency, so then to, again drop to, then the constituency relation, that is called, that's a noun phrase. And what comes in noun phrase, that's a, this the is a determiner, constituency is adjective, relation, right? So this is the way I tell you. That's a, just imagine that's a sentence is like a tree, right? And then sentence first of all basically divided into two parts, that's a noun phrase and verb phrase, right? Then noun phrase may be divided into different parts, and verb phrase, generally noun phrase one two the parts are there, stems are there, but in verb phrase preposition phrase may be attached with this branch, right? How sentence is that uh, this tree illustrates IC analysis according to the constituents relations, this tree, right? So that this tree illustrates IC analysis according to the constituency relation. So this tree, okay, then this tree means that there is a tree, there is a sentence. So this tree is the, this part, this tree. Then constituents, Now I cannot explain this way. Here I'm trying to explain you. Illustrates IC analysis. Illustrate, this is the this branch is whole. This is from here to here, this branch. Verbal phrase, this is verbal phrase. So in verbal phrase there is one branch. This is, that's a again verbal phrase. But then here according to, so that's a according to this is prepositional phrase, according to, right? And then there are two prepositions, so this one and this one, and then last noun phrase. I think you would get it. Here I am taking another example, that is the old man. The old man, this is the old man, sorry, an old man, that's a determiner. Old is the adjective and man, so this is noun phrase. Okay, sentence, noun phrase. Now rest of the things are called predicate phrase, right? Now because this part starts with, so definitely that is predicate phrase, right? And in this sentence, wait a minute. So here noun phrase, what is noun phrase? Wait a minute, read this way, an old man with a car. So definitely an old man with a car, this is noun phrase. So sentence, this is noun phrase. An old man, this is one noun phrase, but with a car, that is prepositional phrase, right? So with, that's a with, and a car, so that's a, this is noun phrase. Okay, now chase the boy. So chase the boy, predicate phrase, or directly you can write that's a verbal phrase, right? So that's a chase, this is the past tense, right? And then the boy, that's a noun phrase. This way also you can solve it. So that's a little idea. The old man with a car chased the boy. The old man with a car, repeating them. The old man with a car, right, chased, what's the sentence, chased the boy. Okay, the old man with a car, okay, chased the boy. When you read, immediately you should click that the old man with a car, this is noun phrase, because the sentence, of course, in this noun phrase man is the noun, but then before after there are some words. So sentence, right, then a noun phrase. So the old man again noun phrase, right, with a car, that is prepositional phrase. So noun phrase, the, determiner, old, adjective, man, noun. With a car, so with is preposition, a car is noun phrase, with a car, right? Then chased, so that is verbal phrase you can write, or prepositional predicate phrase you can write, right? So that's a chased, so that's a verbal phrase, chased. So that's a chase, and here you can write pass, right? Chase the boy, noun phrase. Same here is written, chase, okay, and the boy. So these are the two examples you can remember, which are very important. Okay, so all the best all of you. If you have any problem, always you can ask. All the best.